Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. Now, the latest version of Android has finally been released this past week, and it is, as you guys guessed it, Android Oreo. Not Android Octopus or Oatmeal Cookie or whatever else you guys thought it would have been, alright? It's Android Oreo, it's 8.0.0, and it's finally here. Now, I've been going through the developers' previews from stages 1 to 4, so I pretty much knew what to expect in the final release. However, a lot of you guys weren't as experimental as I was, so Android O and all the features might be a bit new to you guys. So in this video, what I'm going to do is go through some of my favorite features of Android Oreo. Alright, now without further ado guys, let's get this video started. Now, one of my favorite features of Android Oreo has got to be the new notification dot. Now, the previous version of Android, which is Android Nougat, you were able to long press on an app icon to launch various actions. So for example, if you long press on a Twitter icon, you're able to jump into a new tweet directly from the app. So if it's on the home screen, you could long press on it, jump straight to a new tweet and start composing. And by long pressing the icon, you can actually see the notification. You can actually read contents of the notification, all right, straight from the little home page right there. So I do like that feature. It's really handy and really useful in my opinion. Now, the next feature I really love about Android O is called Smart Select. Now, this is a very practical feature, guys. And if you guys know me any at all, you know I love practicality when it comes to features found in a stock OS or a custom ROM. Now, what the Smart Select does is actually give you contextual options when you highlight a particular text. So for example, let's say you get a message with an address in there. Normally, if you want to like locate that address, you have to click on it, highlight it, then go click copy. Then go ahead, open up the Maps app, hold that down and paste it, and then search for the address. Now with the Smart Select, once you go into that message and see the address, all you can do is highlight it, and then it will actually pop up with a map icon. So you can cut, copy, paste, select all, whatever, but you also have the option of just jumping straight to the map and having it search for the address for you. Now, this works for various other apps as well. So not only will it work for addresses in the Maps app, but it will also work for telephone numbers with the Dialer app, all right? So yeah, I really do love this new feature in Android O. It's all about practicality and saving us that extra step in doing something that we're always doing anyways, making our lives just a little bit more easier. So I really love that, and props to Google for adding that feature in the latest OS. All right, now another really big feature that was implemented in the new release of Android Oreo has got to be PIP, which is picture in picture. All right, now we did get the whole split screen on the last version of Android, but with this one we do have PIP. So if you're watching a video or you're on a video call or anything video related and you close out the app, it will actually pop up with a window of the video on your home screen. So let's say I'm on a video call and I want to go into another app real quick to do something, but I want to keep watching the video or see what's going on. Then a little pop-up will appear and I can still see what's going on and do other stuff in another app. All right, so it's really cool. I love this feature, especially for YouTube. It's really handy, really useful, because a lot of us are watching something on YouTube or a music video, but we don't want to close it out. I really do love this feature. It works for me pretty fine. I didn't get it to work with YouTube though. I think it's a YouTube red feature. I'm not 100% sure. If it is, guys, let me know in the description box down below. Or if there's another workaround to get it, then let me know. My phone is a Nexus 6P. It has not worked at all with YouTube, but it does work with WhatsApp video calls as well as Duo. Let's move on to the next feature. Now, next up is another really great feature that I love in Android Oreo. I did mention it before in my previous Android O video, and that has got to be the autofill password API for Android. It is amazing, guys. Now what this does is, because I do flash my phone all the time, I'm always flashing from a custom ROM to stock, wiping it, whatever. So I have like almost 100 apps really. So when I have to install these apps all over and have to remember the passwords each time, it gets a bit tedious. So what Google did was, just like on Chrome where you can autofill passwords on various websites, it's the same principle applied but for apps. So for example, I open up Snapchat or Twitter or Pinterest, whatever it is, it's gonna autofill my password straight from the back. I don't have to remember anything at all. So once I'm logged into my Google account on my device and I open the app up for the first time, bam, it autofills everything. I don't have to remember the password, the username, anything at all. Right? Now a lot of you guys might not really like the whole idea of a particular app to have all your passwords. So if you do like Google and the cloud and the whole system, then you're gonna like this particular feature. All right, I do really love it a lot. Maybe you guys do too. All right, so that's number 4 on the list. Now the fifth and final feature that I absolutely love in Android Oreo has definitely got to be the whole new notification system. And what I mean by that is you can do so much more with the notification system, like snoozing a particular notification for 5, 10, 15 minutes or however long you want it, alright? So by doing that, you don't always have to have that persistent notification at the top of your screen. It's kind of annoying to some people. I particularly don't like it at all. I always try to clear my notifications out. So if it's something that you want to get back to later, then you can just snooze it for a bit. Also, another thing that I really do love, there are certain apps that you can just set to don't show notifications at all. Now, I have a particular app on my phone called Pi Control, and with this app, it uses the Android system to display over other apps. So there's going to always be a persistent notification at the top of my screen showing me that it's running and all that in the background. I, however, don't like to see it at the top of my screen, so what I do, I go in the settings and I change this so I have no visual interruption, no sound, no pop-up, nothing at all comes on the screen when this app is active. All right, now I can go into the Android system here and just turn on or turn off certain notifications. I can also click on various ones and just turn off the notification dots. I can turn off blink light. Everything I can turn off right here. So with this new notification system, it's very in-depth. I can go really deep to customize the notification experience of each particular app on my device. It's not only about turning it on or off. I can just select various parts of the notification system that I want to change. If I want to turn it off, on, snooze it, whatever. Also, with the new notification system, various notifications are bundled. So if you have similar notifications from a particular app, it's all bundled under like one at a head in there, and you can like swipe down to see individual ones. So let's say you have like 50 messages from WhatsApp. You don't just have like 50 of them right there. It's all bunched into one. If you want to scroll down to see the various ones, you can do that as well, straight from the notification shade. Now, I really do love this new notification system in Android O. It makes everything a little bit more streamlined and easier to handle in the notification shader. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for me in this video. That's my 5 favorite features found in Android Oreo. Let me know your favorite features in the comment sections down below. And if you like this video, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button. As always guys, thank you guys for watching. Do stay awesome. My name is Dakoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Zee.